Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find apps, which should be right here under device care. So let's tap on apps. Now we have to tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got special access. So let's tap on it, and here from this list we have to find and tap on install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. In order to change the option, for example, in order to allow Chrome to install some content, just tap on it and tap on this switcher right here. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps may be not verified by the developers, so your device and your data may be at risk. So after getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work with all other apps. For example, with Opera Mini, just tap on it, tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can check that from now on it is allowed. Obviously, you can turn it off whenever you want. All you have to do is just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. Let's get back, and as you can see, from now on Opera Mini is not allowed to install any content. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.